I can't. I can't move.
All right. Come on.
Why did you scream like that?
Would you like some tea?
Sure.
Yeah.
This is very good smelling tea. Maybe I should go. I can see that you're upset, but I don't know what to do.
Don't worry about me, I'm fine.
Okay.
Just forget it.
Beth?
I'm going home. Please don't follow me.
May I come in? I'm sorry.
Your mother's gonna need your help.
Yeah, I know.
We have to talk again.
You scared me. I thought you were gonna hit me.
I would never, ever do that.
Well, I'm sorry, Adam, but she can't go.
No.
Come back here!
What are you gonna do?
What do you mean? Just leave me alone for a while.
What do you mean?
Why do you want me to go?
You are like a part of me. I couldn't go without you.
I'm sorry. I can't go.